Today, we'll dive into KeyChord Piano, Piano Chord Companion, and Chordify Piano to help you enhance your piano playing skills. Let's get started. KeyChord Piano. KeyChord Piano is a comprehensive piano chord dictionary and visualizer app that is designed to help users learn and understand piano chords easily. It offers a wide range of chord types and variations for users to explore, along with interactive features for visualizing chord shapes on the piano keyboard. KeyChord Piano also provides audio playback of chords and allows users to customize and save their favorite chords for quick access. Overall, KeyChord Piano is a great tool for both beginners and advanced piano players to enhance their chord knowledge and skills. Piano Chord Companion. Piano Chord Companion is another popular Android app that provides a wide range of piano chords and scales for users to practice and learn from. The app offers a user-friendly interface with easy navigation to explore different chord types, progressions, and scales. Users can also listen to the chords and scales played back through the app for better understanding and practice. Piano Chord Companion is suitable for piano players at various skill levels and provides a handy tool to learn, practice, and master different piano chords effectively. Chordify Piano. Chordify Piano is a unique Android app that offers users the ability to extract chords from any song or music track in their device's library. Users can simply upload a song to the app, and Chordify Piano will analyze the music and display the corresponding chords in real time as the song plays. This makes it easier for users to follow along and play their favorite songs on the piano or other instruments. Chordify Piano also provides chord diagrams and playback options to help users practice and play along with the music. And there you have it, a breakdown of 3 fantastic piano chord applications for Android. Thanks for watching.